Hi, I'm Dave Beck, owner of Paverson Games, designer of this game. This game is clever, smooth, sophisticated, like this fine whiskey. You might think as a whiskey guy I couldn't possibly enjoy a cocktail. You would be very wrong. When a distillery first opens, they're focusing all on those spirits. But as that distillery gets established, something interesting happens. They start thinking beyond the bottle. Adding a cocktail bar is the natural next step. Now you can taste the spirits in the best possible way. Distilled Cocktails brings you everything you would expect in an expansion. We've got over 400 components. Of course, we've got your typical things like new upgrades, items, ingredients, and so much more. Cocktails is being made with you, the fans, in mind. Most requested is the double washbacks. You can craft 2 spirits in a single round. Will you craft a whiskey for your warehouse, but at the same time a gin, so you can instantly sell it to gain revenue for a big buy in the market next round? Be careful, expanding your distillery is expensive. Every time you unlock that washback, it costs more and more money. Seek out international collectors, attracting them with prestigious spirits to earn the chance for game-changing strategies through endgame scoring bonus tiles that only you get to place on your board and score. Craft unique cocktails in your distillery using special mixers, as well as the custom spirits you've previously distilled. Look out for key cocktail orders that match the spirits and glass types. Roll the dice to fill the fridge with new mixers for the table to grab. And be sure not to let anyone else take that coveted pink umbrella. Let's chart a course for the renown map. Word is spreading about your renown all over the globe for your beautiful, wonderful spirits. Take renown tokens off of your personal board to place them onto this shared map, grabbing as many instant goodies and bonus map tiles as you can. Of course, we have a standard edition, but we wouldn't be Paverson without offering a few upgrades that are as elaborate as this cocktail. So whether you're serving up a pina colada or cosmopolitan, remember, you're tasting the next chapter in this distillery story. Starts in the still, but it ends in the cocktail bar. Oh, get a juicy endgame bonus for this set of cocktail glasses.
He's lucky it's happy hour.